Hey guys, this isn't part of the during gameplay recording because I left it muted from the end of the last video, completely on accident. So I guess I just didn't push the mute button hard enough, because if you hear that little, like, I can't do the noise. Well, yeah, I can, hold on. You could hear this during the last video, and it was me muting. So hopefully that picked up. It looked like it did. Because I like to mute during cutscenes so I don't breathe in the mic and annoy people. So if you haven't played the game yet, you can tell what story is going on and stuff. That's just what I like to do. And sure, I might get a copyright claim on a video or two because of it, but I don't care. We're not making money off of this yet, so that's even if we get to that point. It's still a hobby for us, but whatever. So yeah. Here's like 5 minutes of gameplay without commentary, if that's what you've been waiting for. So I'll let you go now. Enjoy the sounds that Insomniac put into the game.
Attention, invading guard. We have left you several messages regarding your invasion of this sector. I don't want to suggest poison, but just in case. There are plenty of invading.
I doubt that's the last of them.
Oh dear, more of them.
That must be the mayor's ship.
This is a transmission by the Galactic Rangers. Please, assistance. This is Admiral Buckwash, mayor of the Toad Crater of Nova.
Mayor Buckwash will not last long without our help.
He's down.
Rangers, come in. Anyone, please. We're in danger.
Someone's taken out our rev team. Bravo team, roll in and execute.
Keep on fighting! Not walking out here.
Hello? Safe to come out.
Thank you. I thought we were done for sure.
We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skid McMarks.
Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder?
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since.
Here, take a look.
Hey, Uncle Buckwash! Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy is this been a trip! I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Flarg. Huh, I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematics!
Help! Someone, call my agent, call my publicist. Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me. I don't want to die!
Sounds like Skid McMarx is in trouble. We gotta get to Iridia.
Agreed. But we must first repair our ship.
Oh, you did it! Thanks for saving the sector, friend. Now come on back and we'll see about fixing that ship.
Attention, citizens! Your mayor is safe and sound. I was rescued by a furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10 to 10:30.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber. Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
I love that he breaks the fourth wall just so much.
Ratchet and Clank were delighted to discover that their newly repaired ship now had an upgraded hyperspace navigation computer.
I'm gonna ignore the optional stuff for now. I'm just gonna focus on the story during the playthrough, so... let's just go in order. For one, here we come. It's also kind of annoying me that the ship isn't red. That might just be me, though.
We're too late. The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack! Repeat! Enemy ships are now in the central district of Alero City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Flarg transport closing in fast. Brace for more bot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area!
We must assist the Galactic Rangers.
Okay.
Activating weapon systems. Weapons online. You may now attack the transport.
Where's... There it is. This is new, yes?
Captain, we have an unidentified ship providing assistance. Transport down! Yeah! Whoever you are, thank you.
Well, that was easy.
Ratchet. Now
More transports! Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
Not on my watch.
Okay, where...
We gotta take out that transport!
I'm getting there, I need to turn around.
Flarg transport down.
He took out another ship.
Whoever's doing heroic...
Another transport down.
I interrupted Quark.
ships left.
Everyone attack the train.
Yeah, another one down.
Just 2 more ships.
I'm doing all the work.
Yes, we're on a roll.
1 ship left.
The last of them.
Thanks, guys. Looks like you got all the transports. But we still gotta take out that warship.
Yeah, I got all of
armor
them.
is made of a raritanium alloy. If we could propel a warbot at the ship with sufficient velocity, I believe it would penetrate the hull.
Awesome. And how do we do that?
Your weapon package includes a mag booster. I am rewriting the software to isolate the warbot's armor. Ah, there. You should now be able to pick up warbots using the mag booster.
Oh, that's okay.
Let's try. It appears we can repair our ship with the nanotech those blog saucers leave behind.
Ben!
There should be some warbots nearby. You can now pick them up and pull them toward the warship.
Okay, where are some? I'm gonna guess where these markers are.
Activate mag booster.
Hello.
Okay, warbots. Hang on tight.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots.
Do I have to hold triangle or?
Got him. Now let's send them back to where they came from. Steady. Now.
Good.
Turn to sender. Boom.
Holy cow! That was awesome!
I'm gonna die.
One in a million. Let's do it again.
Oh dear. We need to repair the ship.
I don't know how, Clank. You're not pointing me where I need to go.
Warbots attached.
There we go.
Working on.
Oh, okay. I don't... It just slows you down temporarily. Where did it go? There you are.
Get ready. Release warbots. Yes.
We're in trouble here. Keep fighting, Rangers.
Okay, I need to look for health. Otherwise I'm gonna die.
Hey, your ship is damaged. Shoot the saucers to find nanotech.
Okay. Simple. Where's more? I want to get one more. Come on. Ooh, okay. There's one. Good.
Check your ship repaired.
Engage.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots. Warbots successfully magnetized.
There we
Setting
go.
course for Blarg warship.
It's really weird that I'm not losing them in a boost,
Wait
but whatever.
for it. Release. Yeah.
Fly off like Super Saiyans.
Working. Impressive. But my perseverance will defeat these warbots. Eventually.
Warbots in tow. Now let's
Okay,
head toward
that didn't look
warship.
good. Come on. There we go.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots.
I know, Clank, but I should only need this many.
Now.
I believe
Or
the warship is
like two
sustaining
more.
critical damage.
Yeah. One more hit should do it. Hit it. Hey, warbots. Time to go home. Steady. Steady.
What is this camera? It should be over, not under. Go.
Warbots away.
Perfect.
Warship down. We did it.
Way to go, whoever you are!
All right, everyone, let's give these heroes some breathing room. I'm happy to field all questions on their behalf.
Dallas Wanamaker here. Does this mean you'll be asking these two heroes to join the Rangers?
Say what now? Well, I don't see why not. And that is how dumb luck helped a rookie Lombax take out a Blargian warship.
That wasn't no dumb luck. He and that robot made a great pair.
That's enough out of you, Solitary Bill. Sheesh, you give a guy your pudding cup once, and then you can never get rid of him.
So, what happened next?
Well, Drek didn't take too kindly to having his plan ruined by a Lombax and his robot pal, so he sent Blargian mercenaries to take them out.
Clank, look out! You all right, pal?
They just fixed it too.
All systems operational, but we should get back to the Hall of Heroes.
So weird doing like all the things out of order.
We're supposed to start your training in a few minutes.
Sorry, Brax. Clank and I ran into a bit of, ship trouble. Looks like there's still a few Blarg in the city.
We must have missed them during our sweep of the perimeter. Brax, you better check the Hall of Heroes and make sure they didn't make it inside.
Copy that.
In the meantime, there's a friend not far from your position who can help you out. His name's Al. I was gonna wait until after training to introduce you, but now's as good a time as any. Find him and ask him to upgrade Clank. If he knows it's for the Rangers, he should do it for
Incoming
free.
dropship.
Is that the holocard guy? Yeah, we know about him.
Okay, so next time we're gonna run into Al. Which is a good thing, because Al's great. So, yeah, next time. Okay, bye!